Before you purchase the nurses training forms in 2026, be sure that you have these documents in possession. Number one, your birth certificate. When we say birth certificate, not just any birth certificate. However, they are specifically looking out for your biometric birth certificate. Now, even before you go for your biometric birth certificate, that is if you don't have one, make sure that whatever details, especially with your name and your date of birth, make sure that whatever details that you have on your WASSCE certificate or your WASSCE results should tally with whatever you have on your birth certificate. In case you've also done your birth certificate already and then you still have errors, you just realized that you still have errors or mismatch in the names, then the next thing you have to do is to go for an affidavit. So what you have to do now is not just for you to wait till the application forms are out before you start rushing, because these things take process, especially with the birth certificate. It takes some time depending on the amount you pay. We have express, we have the normal and all that. So depending on the amount you pay. So if I were to be you, I'll start my preparations now. Get a Ghana card, get my biometric birth cert, get my WASSCE certificate, that is if only it is ready, get a testimonial from the school that you completed, that is your previous senior high school. Make sure to get a testimonial from there. However, I understand most of you might have completed two schools, okay? You first completed a particular institution and then probably due to some of the deficits in your results, you went to another school to resit for the WASSCE examination. So you can decide to go to any of these schools and get a testimonial from the school. Kindly take note of all these things. Now, with the nurses training, do you know that you can use about 3 results to apply to any of the nurses training colleges in Ghana? The maximum is 3. So if you have failed a particular subject in your previous institution and then you've redeemed yourself, you can use WASSCE and NOVTEC. You can use 2 WASSCE results. You can combine them. I mean, the maximum is 3. So you can combine these results and apply to any of the nurses training college in Ghana. In 2026, these are some of the guidelines we are going to be giving you, and you do not want to miss this. That's why we started early, so that you do not miss any important detail we put out right here. Please do also pass this information to someone you think might find this useful, or you can as well save this for future reference. Of course, my name is Lottie and I do create educational contents like this for a pay. Do stay tuned and stay connected. I'm out.